Try your best. We will have a swimming pool. I think we need a water pump.
Huh?
Okay, I got an idea.
How to build the Lego water pump.
Swimming pool is full of water. Ready, set, go!
Huh?
Water all gone now.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
Stood in line forever, but hey, I made it into the aquarium before turning into a fossil.
Wow!
That aquarium, total eye candy underwater.
Ooh. Sup, cutie? How about we take this flirt session into the aquarium? Just you, me, and some jealous fish.
On my way, babe.
Aquarium vibes, 10 out of 10.
Let's glide through this underwater wonderland.
Time to slip and slide.
Dang, it's like the whole town's here. This line's longer than my patience.
Huh?
Hold up, what's that thing? I've got an idea, brace yourself. I'm gonna build a fully automatic Lego escalator that goes down into the aquarium. Yup, dream big.
How to build the escalator. Step 1. Build the left exterior wall panel. Where is a Technic 7MB? Hey, I found it! Oh, thank you. I'm done. Step 2. Build the lower module. Step 3. Connect to exterior wall panels. Step 4. Build the escalator steps.
My epic Lego escalator is nearly complete. Fish Kingdom, here I come. Oh no, an octopus is crawling in to mess things up. What do I do now?
I'm here to save the day, babe. Fresh fish, fancy fish. Come and get it. Got the good stuff right here.
It's finished. My automatic Lego escalator is ready to roll.
Wow!
It was so pretty inside. I almost forgot I was surrounded by fish.
Whoa!
Ah, we did it.
Just you, me, and 500 nosy fish watching.
Oh. Uh-huh. Ew.
Wow! Wow! Wow!